Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about if you are not able to receiving verification code, text or OPT on your iPhone on iOS devices. So keep watching this video until the end. I will tell you some solutions about this problem. Guys, first of all, make sure you have stable internet connection. If you have not stable internet connection, you can change the your network of Wi-Fi. After that, so guys, make sure your focus moves it turn off. If focus moves enabled, it might be blocking notification from the app sending the code. The disable focus mode and see the help. Now see the next solution, open setting application and scroll down and find out messages option. Here guys, simply tap on it and make sure messages option turn on. So turn off once time and turn back on, and after that scroll down. So make sure your filter unknown senders turn off. If this turn on, you cannot receive any messages from the unknown sender. You can see appears on screen, must be have turned off from here. And now guys, uh, go back from here and see the next solution and last solution is for this, open setting application and scroll down and tap on general, scroll down and guys tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset network setting. Guys, any problem inside your mobile about network will be solved after reset network setting of your iPhone. So guys, I gave the information I had about this problem. So apart from this, you can also have this option, you can check your software update on your this iPhone. So for this purpose, again open setting application appears on screen. Here go back and tap on software update. You can check software update is available now, update your software. So guys, it may also be that there is a problem in case from the where you tax income here. So please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.